Oh my god. Watch me beat it now. Of course when I play like an easy extreme, I get like the unluckiest experience of all time. But like, I play fucking moving forward and I get world record flu.
Didn't someone flew it from world record?
No.
Wait, no?
No, I have world record on moving forward.
Nice. You know, honestly, probably better that you flew that. Play the golden in a bit. I have to do the thing that I've been doing.
Imagine if I beat at this attempt! Imagine if I beat at this attempt! Imagine if I beat at this attempt! Imagine if I beat at this attempt!
I'm done.
Sound like you're having time of your life right there.
No, I beat it.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I saw the coins and all that fun stuff. No more Cat Planet. Gotta hop on Dog Planet now, good luck.
Imagine if I beat at this attempt!
I'm so pissed that that's the attempt I beat it on.